Today we are going to solve a question related to binomial theorem. Okay, in binomial theorem there is a question called the coefficient of x to the power of 5 in the expansion x minus 1 by x whole to the power of 11 is dash. Okay, so in MSET you will be going to get, in MSET and AIEEE or IIT you will be going to get one question from this topic. Okay, binomial theorem. So how to solve this? Now let's see how to solve this question. In order to solve this question, there is one shortcut formula. First we will write what is the question he has given. The question he has given is x minus 1 by x whole to the power of 11 he has given. Okay, so here we will be writing n value. Okay, so there is one formula we have. In order to solve this problem, we have one formula. What is the formula? The formula is a x to the power of p plus b by x to the power of q whole to the power of n. Okay, so what I have to do, I will have to compare the given expansion with my formula. Okay, so when I am comparing, I need to find a value, p value, b value, q value, n value. Okay, upon comparison I got n value as something like n equal to 11. I got a value as something like 1. I got b value like something like minus 1. Okay, and I got p value as something like 1. I got q value as something like 1. Okay, now once I find out n, a, b, p, q value, there is one formula to find r value. What is the r value? R equal to np minus m by p plus q. This is my formula. Okay, so here we got n value as 11, we got p value as 1, we got m value. Okay, now tell me what is m value. The m value is whatever the value we are given here, that value is nothing but m value. So that value I will be writing here. Okay, that is 5. Then I will be writing p and q value. So p plus q is nothing but 2. So 11 ones are 11, 11 minus 5. So it is something like this, 6 by 2, that is nothing but 3. So we got r value as 3. Okay, now we can find easily the expansion. Okay, so to find that we have the formula tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x to the power of n minus r a to the power of r b to the power of r. Okay, here n value is nothing but, what is n value? 11. R value what we obtain, that is 3. Okay, a value what we obtain? A value we obtain as 1. So 11 minus 3. B value what we obtain is minus 1 to the power of r value what we obtain is 3. Okay, so 11c3. Okay, 1 to the power of 8 minus 1 cube. Okay, 11c3. This is nothing but minus 11c3. Okay, now we need to find the factorial, because 1 to the power of 1 raised to 8 is nothing but 1 only, 1 raised to 3 is nothing but minus 1 only. Okay, so we need to find NCR factorial. So the formula is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, that is 8 factorial. This is my answer. This is my expansion answer.